In the cheerful town of Maplewood, where window boxes overflowed with marigolds and every front porch had a rocking chair, lived a young girl named Carla Crispin. Now, Carla was not your usual 8-year-old. While other kids rode scooters or played video games, Carla spent her afternoons building sandwiches, weird and wonderful ones. She called it culinary engineering. In her kitchen, she wore her polka-dot apron, held her sandwich notebook in one hand, and her special butter knife in the other, the Spreadinator 3000, she called it. Carla, grinning today's mission, layered lavender jelly, crushed cashews, whipped cream cheese, and a sprinkle of lemon zest on rye swirl bread. At school the next day, Carla carefully unwrapped her sandwich under the big oak tree near the playground, where she always sat with her best friends, Clinton, who wore glasses too big for his face and knew everything about animals, and Lorraine, an artsy girl with a purple beret and a love for painting shoes. Clinton, squinting at the sandwich, "Is that jelly purple, or is it glowing?" Lorraine, laughing, "I think it's beautiful. It looks like a galaxy inside bread." But before Carla could take a bite, Tommy Tucker, the loudest and most dramatic kid in 4th grade, stomped over. Tommy, pointing, "EW. What is that thing? A science experiment gone wrong." A few kids passing by giggled. Carla's hands froze. Her sandwich suddenly didn't look so magical. Carla, quietly, "It's just something I made. It's not a big deal." Tommy, "Bet it tastes like dirt mixed with bubble gum." That night, Carla sat in her room, her sandwich notebook open but untouched. She stared at her last sketch, the Rainbow Crunchinator, a recipe she was excited to try. But now, she wasn't so sure. Carla was sighing, "Maybe I should make normal sandwiches. Like turkey and cheese. Or plain butter." Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.